As I was checking out my passion flower vine this morning, I noticed a little nubbin near the top, and as I got closer and closer, I realized it's a little leaf hopper. I'm trying to see if I can focus where you can see it. There you go. You can kind of see the legs on it now at the bottom. Some would say that this insect is simply a product of evolution, and then people like me are willing to say that this is God's handiwork, placing the DNA in this little insect to give it the ability to survive. Nature's mimic.